What have I done? I know a couple of my subs is going to get a kick out of this. They've been with me so long. I got more hobbies than I can count. I've always been a DIY guy. Well, I've always had an interest in blacksmithing. And I got tired of looking at junk anvils on marketplace and such. High prices, oh my goodness. So I was at Harbor Freight the other day and I bought myself an anvil. At 70 years old, getting into something like this. But I've always had an interest in it. I like to watch Black Bear Forge on YouTube. Nils Ogren, whatever. I'll put a link to both of their pages in the description. And it's a lot more out there. I mean, great, talented blacksmiths that can teach you so much. Black Bear Forge, he is to blacksmithing what Mr. Pete is to machining. So this was the last one that in the 65-pound one that Harbor Freight had. Excuse me. And I had a sick feeling when I bought it. But it turned out well. I checked it with my hardness files. And it said on the box it was supposed to be a HRC 55 to 62. Well, my hardness files, the 60 would skate on it, but the 65 would grab. So that tells me it's above a 60. So I probably lucked out there. Oh, I'm gonna create a playlist. I think I'm gonna name it Wannabe Blacksmith. I don't never think I'll call myself a blacksmith. No. I ain't got enough time. So first thing I'll do is strip this paint off of here. In my mind, paint on the anvil, I don't like it. To each his own. So next thing I'll do is build a base for it, make a base. I might have to cut down a tree. I haven't got anything in the firewood pile that I can use. Anything that's long enough. I haven't got it. So once I get the base made, then I gotta start thinking about forge. Well, we'll do wood stove, blow it out in the wood stove, but that get hot enough? I don't know. Well, that sort of kind of worked. With better airflow, yeah, it can be done in a wood stove. I'll give that a try. But I got my eye on a 2-burner Vivo forge, gas forge. I'm not gonna fool with charcoal and all that stuff. You gotta have an exhaust, and so no, I'm not going that route. Then probably the first things I'll make is some hold downs. These hardy holes, they need to be worked on a little bit. It's just a little bit of a lip right on top on both of them. So I'll concave that a little bit. Then I'll have to make some hold downs. I'll make me a bender to go in the square hole. I'll have to make some tongs. I got one pair of tongs. I bought it at an antique store. So if you like to watch somebody stumble through being a wannabe blacksmith, you know where I'm at. So we'll see. I got so much other stuff I should be doing, but whatever's fun for me today is what I do. So anybody new out there, welcome. If I don't get another sub, I'm not going to starve to death. This channel is not about money. I never have and never will ask for money. I'll never have a Patreon page. That's not why I do this. I just like to share what I'm doing and maybe help somebody along the way. So, thanks for watching the vid if you're still here. Comment if you like. I look at all the comments. I check behind freshly posted vids to make sure somebody's not coming in pretending to be me. I always check that. There's too many crooks in the world these days. So anyhow, onward and forward. Thanks for watching.